What's up, YouTube? Today I'm bringing you guys a video to let you guys know that the pregnancy has been confirmed with our girl Sasha and our boy over there at Alpha Power Kennels, Major. Oh yeah, it has been confirmed. The pedigrees stack up nicely with each other. It was a no-brainer not to do it. As you guys can see, she's a beautiful girl. Timitor Edestein pedigree. Oh yeah, she is the granddaughter of Rocco Edestein. As you guys can see, she's a beauty. Oh yeah. This definitely will be the next litter over here at More Kennel Rottweilers. Oh yeah, she's a beauty. Up next, we're gonna drop that slide with our boy Major from over there at Alpha Power Kennels. Check him out. And just like that, that was our boy Major from over there at Alpha Power Kennels, and this is our girl Sasha. And as you guys can see, they are a great match. Yes, sir. So if you guys are interested in this upcoming litter, make sure y'all hit that description box. You can follow us on Instagram at More Kennels Rottweilers. And we out.